All right, so we're going to be doing our paper airplanes and scientific method experiment. Scientific inquiry refers to the many different ways in which scientists investigate the world. Scientific investigations are done to answer questions and solve problems. Many times, investigations are said to follow a scientific method. Scientific methods are steps that are followed during an investigation to make sure that the information gained during the investigation is accurate and true. The steps usually followed are, okay, a question or a problem is identified and stated. Background research or literature review is done to find out what we already know about the topic. A hypothesis is formed. This is an educated guess, the results of experiments based on the information learned during background research. A very detailed step-by-step procedure is developed to test the hypothesis. This is also called the experimental design or methodology. It includes a list of materials. The investigation is concluded and data is collected. The data is analyzed. Conclusions are drawn. This is what does the data mean? And then results are communicated, okay, to other scientists to review the results of the investigation. In our case, our class members. During this investigation, you will practice the steps listed as well as different scientific skills. Okay. Be sure to read everything in the handout and in the instructions that I give you throughout. Part 1. Identify and state the question or problem. So you want to know which paper airplane design is best. The first thing you have to do is decide what best means. This is called the operational definition. The definition you will use during the investigation. For this investigation, we will define best as the plane that flies farthest. So I'll say that one more time. For this investigation, the operational definition is plane that flies farthest, okay, or flies farthest. We will not be concerned with heights or loops or straight flight. We will be testing the style of plane as a group. So now we need to write a question that states what our group would like to investigate. So go over here, grab your tool for typing. I'm going to choose a different color here. And so we are going to put in what style plane will fly farthest. There's our question. We've stated our question. Because remember, fly farthest is the operational definition, and we are doing the style of plane. So what style of plane will fly farthest? That is part 1.